In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a to-do list in Google Sheets. We'll be using one of Google Sheets' built-in templates, which makes this process quick and simple, especially if you want a clean layout without having to build everything from scratch. This is a great option for organizing tasks, tracking progress, and creating a list that you can update whenever you need it. To get started, head over to your Google Sheets home dashboard. This is the main page where you can create new spreadsheets and browse available templates. If you're already signed in to your Google account, you should be able to access it right away. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to look at the different options available near the top of the page. From there, look over to the template gallery and click on the option labeled To-Do List. Google Sheets includes this ready-made template to help you set up a task tracker instantly. Using the template saves time because the structure is already prepared for you, so you don't need to manually format columns, headings, or visual elements. If you don't immediately see the template, make sure the template gallery is expanded so you can view all available choices. Once you click the to-do list template, it will open as a new spreadsheet. At this point, you can begin customizing it to fit your own needs. One of the first things you'll usually want to do is rename the file so it's easy to find later in your Google Drive. Choose a title that clearly matches the purpose of your list, such as a daily task list, work planner, or project checklist. After that, you can edit the header title and adjust the other elements inside the template. This is where you make the sheet your own. You can update the text so it reflects your project or routine, and you can personalize the layout based on how you plan to use it. The template is designed to be flexible, so feel free to tailor the visible labels and sections to match your workflow. A helpful tip here is to keep your title and headings clear and specific. That makes the to-do list easier to scan and update over time. Since this is a Google Sheet, your changes are saved automatically, which means you can return to it later and continue using it without worrying about losing your work. And that's how to create a to-do list in Google Sheets using the built-in template. Once you've customized it, you'll have a simple and practical tool to help you stay organized and on top of your tasks.